This Ninja Professional XL food processor is not just another kitchen appliance, it's a game changer in food preparation. With a powerful 1200 peak watt motor, Auto IQ preset programs, and a family-sized 12-cup processing bowl, this food processor is designed to handle everything from slicing and shredding to dough mixing. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the Ninja Professional XL food processor can elevate your culinary skills, making meal prep easier, faster, and more efficient. When it comes to food processors, power is essential. The Ninja Professional XL food processor boasts a 1200 peak watt motor that powers through tough ingredients with ease. Whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing fruits, shredding cheese, or mixing dough, this food processor can handle it all. The motor ensures that even the most challenging tasks, like kneading dough, are done evenly and thoroughly. This is not just a food processor. It's a workhorse that can handle the demands of a busy kitchen. What makes this food processor stand out is its versatility. With 4 Auto IQ preset programs, it removes the guesswork from food preparation. You can choose from chopping, slicing, shredding, pureeing, and dough mixing, all with the push of a button. This level of convenience is perfect for those who want consistent results without having to manually adjust settings. One of the standout features of the Ninja Professional XL food processor is its family-sized 12-cup processing bowl. This extra-large capacity, perfect for preparing meals for the whole family or entertaining guests. You can process large quantities of ingredients in one go, saving time and effort. Whether you're making a big batch of salsa for a party or prepping vegetables for a family dinner, 12-cup bowl can handle it all. The XL feed chute with a 3-part pusher is another feature that makes this food processor ideal for larger quantities. You can easily accommodate ingredients of various sizes, reducing the need for pre-cutting and allowing for more efficient food prep. From whole vegetables to large chunks of cheese, the feed chute makes it easy to process ingredients quickly and efficiently. Ninja is known for its blade technology, and the Professional XL food processor does not disappoint. The uniform processing ensures that your ingredients are chopped evenly, whether you're working with soft fruits or hard vegetables. The quad blade is designed to handle chopping and mixing with precision, while the dough blade ensures that your dough is evenly mixed every time. The adjustable slicing disc is another feature that sets this food processor apart. With variable slice settings, you can achieve anything from thick slices to paper-thin results. This level of customization allows you to create dishes with the perfect texture and presentation. The reversible shredding disc adds even more versatility, allowing you to switch between coarse and fine shredding depending on your needs. One of the most significant pain points with kitchen appliances is cleaning. Fortunately, the Ninja Professional XL food processor is designed with easy cleanup in mind. All the removable parts, including the bowl, lid, discs, and blades, are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup as easy as pressing a button. The safe storage box that comes with the food processor ensures that all the accessories are stored securely and conveniently when not in use. Quick assembly is another feature that makes this food processor user-friendly. You can easily swap out discs and blades in seconds, which means that you can move from one function to another without wasting time. This ease of use is perfect for busy cooks who need to multitask in the kitchen. Safety is a top priority with the Ninja Professional XL food processor. The appliance is equipped with several safety features, including an automatic shut-off when the lid is opened. This ensures that the food processor will not operate unless it is securely assembled, reducing the risk of accidents in the kitchen. The durable construction of the food processor is another reason why it is worth the investment. The stainless steel body is built to withstand heavy use, and the BPA-free plastic parts are designed to last. Ninja also backs its products with one of the longest warranties in the industry, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. Why the Ninja Professional XL food processor is worth the splurge. In a world of kitchen gadgets, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the option. However, the Ninja Professional XL food processor stands out as a must-have appliance for anyone serious about cooking. Its powerful motor, versatility, family-size capacity, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. But this food processor isn't just about functionality, it's also about elevating your cooking experience. Precision blade technology ensures that every ingredient is processed to perfection, whether you're slicing vegetables, shredding cheese, or mixing dough. The convenience of the Auto IQ preset programs means that you can achieve professional-level results without the guesswork. If you're someone who loves to entertain, the Ninja Professional XL food processor will be your go-to appliance for preparing large quantities of food quickly and efficiently. And with its easy-to-clean design and durable construction, you can enjoy all the benefits without the hassle of difficult maintenance. This food processor is not just another kitchen gadget, it's an investment in your culinary journey. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your meals, the Ninja Professional XL food processor will help you achieve your goals with ease. In conclusion, the Ninja Professional XL food processor is more than just a food processor. It's a kitchen essential. Its combination of power, versatility, and convenience makes it a valuable tool for anyone who loves to cook. With its family-size capacity, precise blade technology, and user-friendly design, it can handle all your food prep needs, from chopping and slicing to dough mixing and pureeing. Whether you're cooking for a family, hosting a party, or simply looking for an easier way to prepare meals, the Ninja Professional XL food processor is the perfect solution. It's designed to make your life in the kitchen easier, faster, and more enjoyable. So why wait? Invest in the Ninja Professional XL food processor today and take your cooking to the next level. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.